Hey everybody, I hope you guys are having a good start to your week. Well, weekend. So last week I created a video just talking about the new releases of the OpenAI models, and then as well as my personal favorite, the OpenAI Assistant. You can upload your information and retrieve that information, and then also create different functions. It can execute code. Really amazing stuff. This is super powerful. I have integrated into my company's platform, the MetasOS, and I want to be able to show you the code. I really believe in really just people learning how to utilize artificial intelligence into their own products and services, and so even if you're a new developer or what level you are, this video just to be able to show you the code and hopefully you can implement it for your own means. So let's dig right into it. If you haven't already, grab a OpenAI API key. Just disclaimer, the OpenAI key that I'm using, the API key I'm using for this video is just for this video. It is best practice to make sure you put it in an environment variable, but also check out the docs as well. This gives you all the information that you need. I'm not going to go into that for this video, but let's dig right into the code. This is the interface right here, just a simple UI. Ask questions, and then I'm sure, as you know, get the response back. But I want to show you the code. So of course this is Next.js 13. Of course, built JavaScript, TypeScript. So it's very important to make sure you define everything. So right here, this is the important part right here, where we're actually defining our assistant ID. So that is what makes sure that makes your assistant right there. So definitely make sure you define that. And then the big part. So this is the handle submit function. We're making a few post requests right here, as well as get requests. So with this, we are going to be creating a thread that's creating the conversation. Then we're going to be posting a message to that thread, right? So we're asking a question. So this is two post requests right here, and then we're going to be running that assistant. So we created the conversation, created the message for that, and then we're running that full thread with the message for that assistant. So and then we're actually waiting. So this is a polling right here. So we're waiting for that message to come back, and we're constantly just doing get requests every couple seconds to make sure we're getting that response back before we display it in our interface. And we're waiting for the completed right here. So that's just the status of completed, and then once we get that status of completed, then we will display it into our interface. So this is just once it says completed, it gets that the message back from the assistant with that response. And like I said, it's very simple. We have some error catching, but yeah, so this is all happening basically in one big function once it hits submit. And then right here, then it's just the simple UI where we're asking the question, and then of course receiving the response. So it's very simple, but it's also very powerful because you can upload your own information. You can also utilize this to be able to set up other functions, like creating a map and just different stuff like that. That's where I'm really interested in. So I'm going to be building out more. I'll keep you updated as I progress and exploring the OpenAI assistant. But also, if you have any questions, please hit me up. Let me know if you have any other ideas, things that you think I should think about in this code and different stuff like that. Let me know. All right, guys. I'll see you later. Till next time.